there are practices you can adopt from Ayurveda directly. You should adopt from Ayurveda directly. One of them is waking up in the mornings in the Brahma Muhurta. This is something that yogis also should do probably. Wake up before sunrise. And then Ayurveda talks about cleaning your eyes first, then cleaning your nose with medicines, nasyam, cleaning your mouth, dental hygiene, and then application of oil on your body, and then the shower. The oil bit perhaps is not practical every day, but showers or taking a bath, it's something which we all certainly should do every day. When we come to how you have to take showers or how you have to take a bath, in Ayurveda itself, they give you the qualities of the bath, because the bath is supposed to be refreshing, it's supposed to make you feel more reinvigorated, it's supposed to bring up your digestive capacity, it's a deepener, so it will give you good appetite, and so forth. There are other qualities too. And then there are specific qualities mentioned for taking cold baths and hot baths. So cold bath is supposed to wake you up more, it's supposed to invigorate you more, and warm baths are supposed to relax you more. And the general rule is that warm baths are maybe better than cold baths, but if you're using warm water to bath, then you should use warm water only below your neck, not above the neck. So above the neck it has to be room temperature, cold, whatever. But these are guidelines that you can follow, that any yogi should follow. If you're taking warm baths, don't turn on the shower, don't put it too hot and then stand underneath it, because then you'll be developing problems like eye problems and maybe skin problems, hair problems. So if you're taking showers, make sure you use the warm till your neck, and above your neck it's always good if you use room temperature water. Now again, coming to the yogic aspect of it, if you look at yoga texts, just like they have got these indications, or they have got these suggestions, these guidelines for what a yogi should eat when he should start his practice. They also say that a yogi should not do things that depletes his prana too much, because basically it's your energy that you're trying to conserve. With yoga you're trying to bring together all the scattered energies, and then you're trying to focus it into penetrating the very existence itself. That's what a yogi is trying to achieve. So because he has to be very careful with how he spends his energy, he should not be taking up things which expend too much of this energy. So in this context itself, the texts say that you should not be doing things like waking up too early in the morning and taking extremely cold baths. You should not be traveling long distances. You should not be keeping company of women. You should not be generally be of the partying type. Of course, that's not there in the text itself, but you should conserve your energy to the maximum. And all these things, if you go in the morning and take a very cold bath, that will be let's say like right now we are here in besides the Ganges, and it's very, very cold, the water is very cold. So if you're doing a yoga practice, there are people who say that oh, this is a sattvic thing to do, go and take a dip in the river early in the morning. But if you're actively pursuing yoga, then maybe that energy which your body is going to expend trying to get itself warm again after such an extreme act, that energy will be better expended in meditation or maybe in some other practice. But again, for the practical purposes of if you're going to a yoga class, how you should bath, the best thing to do is wake up early and then take a shower at room temperature, at least with water that's not too warm, and that will wake you up for your yoga practice. And then you come to your practice, do your asanas, do your stuff, go back and then have a warm water bath, because that will carry over the effects of the shavasana also. It will help you relax your body more, it will help you release all the tightness in your body. And while you're having that hot water bath in the second part, you should take care not to use that hot water above your neck. You should ideally wait sometime after class, because you have to normalize your body temperature. The sudden shifts in temperature of the body most probably will lead to a dosha aggravation of some sorts. So it's best if you normalize your temperature first and then you do the next activity. After yoga classes, your temperatures will be raised a bit. So if you have to drink, it will be good if you take lukewarm water or water which approaches your body temperature. Like instead of guzzling cold water, which is again going to bring down your internal temperature very fast, which can lead to a dosha aggravation. So the idea is to do everything with not going to the extremes and stay somewhere in the middle. Balance out everything, because yoga and Ayurveda, they're both all about balance. When you exert force in one direction, you are supposed to experience, or at least try to exert force in the other direction also, even in asanas. And you are supposed to not go with the flow, even if it's santosha or joy that you're experiencing or sorrow you're experiencing. It's the same with Ayurveda. You're trying to balance all these qualities of vata, of pitta, of kapha. So you have to be in equilibrium. There should not be any sudden things which can possibly cause a jerk.